Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to find hidden chats on Viber. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. And you show you how to do it. Alright, open Viber and click on chats and scroll down, open chat, this name. And click on hide this chat, then set pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Face ID, yes. Okay. Chat hidden and click on search and write pin, alright, and write name chat. No, alright, and write and pin 3 4. Click on and click on open and unhide this chat. Click on allow, face ID, okay. Back and chat this. Alright, that's all.